everyone, welcome back. Today I have the pumpkin spice palette. Pumpkin spice second spice. Probably saying it's a duplicate of the first one. It is. But the reason I picked it up is because it's more neutral. It leans more neutral. And I think these colors would suit me better. I always pick this particular palette up for them every year. And I liked how neutral the color story was. Well, anyways, let's get into it. I'm going to go into Sip, Sip, Hooray. Actually, no, I'm going to go into Everything Nice, which is this cream color right here. I have my eyeshadow primer on already. I'm going to run that through my crease. If you do it this way, the eyeshadows blend better. I'm going to take my same brush. And I'm going to go into Crust Issues, which is right here, which is like this orange color. And I'm going to put that in my crease. Then I'm going to go put this in my outer V second helping. I'm going to take my shimmer shade and I'm going to go into Squash It and put that on my lid. I'm going to put on this MAC Red Orange lipstick in Meringue. And that's it. That's my pumpkin spice second slice look. If you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I'll see you in my next video.